Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best roof color for solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Hulk NPE Solar Panel Mounting Kit. This kit offers an innovative drill-free mounting solution for solar panels, making it ideal for RVs, boats, and flat roofs. Made from high-strength ABS plastic, it's UV-resistant and built to withstand the elements, ensuring long-term durability. The kit includes corner and side brackets, a waterproof cable gland, and self-tapping screws for added flexibility. Notably, its elevated design promotes optimal airflow for heat dissipation, keeping your panels cool during peak performance. While its no-drill installation is a standout feature, this kit does require silicone sealant, not included, for secure mounting, which could be an inconvenience for some users. The design is versatile, accommodating aluminum-framed panels of varying sizes, and its edges and corners provide extra protection against damage. However, with only 15 customer ratings and a 4.1-star average, it's clear that this product is still gaining traction in the market. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and those looking for an adjustable, lightweight solution, the Hulk NPE kit is a budget-friendly option for smaller solar setups. On the downside, this kit might not be the best choice for heavy-duty solar panels or high-stress environments. Pros include its easy installation, lightweight construction, and heat dissipation features. Cons include the need for additional sealant and limited customer feedback. Overall, it's a solid choice for casual users, but may fall short for heavy-duty applications. At rank number 4 is the Misfit Single-Wire Cable Entry Gland Box. This compact and affordable solution is specifically designed to manage cables for solar panel setups on RVs, caravans, and boats. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's lightweight and weather-resistant, making it perfect for outdoor installations. The gland box supports cable diameters ranging from 2 mm squared to 6 mm squared, offering compatibility with a wide range of setups. Its no-perforation design ensures that installation surfaces remain undamaged, and it can be securely fixed with glue for a seamless appearance. What sets the Misfit apart is its simplicity and ease of installation. Users appreciate its sleek, white design that blends well with most setups. However, it's worth noting that this product is better suited for smaller solar projects and may not offer the robustness required for industrial-grade applications. With no drilling required, it's ideal for those seeking a hassle-free installation. That said, the product lacks adjustable features and might not accommodate larger, more complex systems. The pros include its affordable price point, compact design, and straightforward installation process. The cons lie in its limited versatility and lack of advanced features. Overall, the Misfit Single-Wire Cable Entry Gland Box is a great pick for those handling small-scale solar installations and looking for a minimalist solution. Taking the third spot is the Aungi Adjustable Solar Panel Tilt Mount Brackets. Designed for flat surfaces like roofs, RVs, and boats, this product is perfect for off-grid solar setups. Made with high-quality aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and capable of withstanding harsh environmental conditions. The adjustable arm allows users to tilt their solar panels at angles between 15 degrees and 30 degrees, optimizing energy collection throughout the year. It supports panels ranging from 50 watt to 400 watt, making it versatile for various applications. One standout feature is its ease of installation. The structural components come pre-assembled, requiring minimal effort to secure them using the included stainless steel screws. The tilted design can enhance solar energy collection by up to 50%, making it ideal for maximizing efficiency. While the product is highly durable and lightweight, it's not recommended for oversized or overly heavy panels, which could limit its use for larger setups. The pros include its adjustable tilt angle, robust aluminum build, and ability to improve energy efficiency. On the downside, it's best suited for lighter panels and flat surfaces, limiting its adaptability. Overall, The Aongi adjustable tilt mount brackets offer excellent value for users seeking a reliable and efficient mounting solution for mid-sized solar panels. At number 2, we have the QCG waterproof ABS solar cable entry gland. This sleek black cable gland housing is designed for durability, featuring industrial-grade ABS plastic that's UV-resistant, fireproof, and capable of withstanding harsh outdoor conditions. Rated IP68 waterproof, it provides a secure and weatherproof solution for managing solar panel cables. The upgraded M16 lock nut ensures enhanced sealing performance, addressing common issues with previous designs, supporting cable diameters from 2 mm squared to 6 mm squared. It's ideal for routing DC power cables on RVs, camper vans, boats, and roofs. What makes the QCG stand out is its ease of installation. It can be mounted without drilling, using self-tapping screws and sealant for a hassle-free setup. The compact design is perfect for small spaces, offering a professional finish, with a perfect 5.0 star rating from customers. It's clear that this product has earned high praise for its reliability and quality. However, it may not be the best choice for larger or more complex solar systems requiring multiple entry points. The pros include its durable build, excellent sealing performance, and straightforward installation. The cons are its limited scalability and reliance on sealant for installation. Overall, the QCG waterproof ABS solar cable entry gland is an excellent option for small to medium-sized solar projects, offering top-notch protection and a sleek design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.